everybody, Boone White with the 323 Concept Furniture Restoration here. You are watching the 323 vlog, and I just wanted to do a quick demonstration on how I go about filling minor cracks in wood. We're restoring a Hope chest, and we're redoing the top for it. It was in horrendous condition. We ended up steaming it. My first experience using a steam box. Really enjoyed that process, but now we're getting to the point we glued it all back up, and just due to the age, and it was built primitively, so it's you know, the glue joints, there's still minor gaps. So how do we go about filling those gaps? You can use regular wood fillers, but a process that I've really enjoyed lately is going more of a natural route. It's wood glue, and then when you go over it with your orbital sander, you're mixing up the sawdust. That's you're guaranteed the same tone as your wood because it's the sawdust from that wood. So I like to put the wood glue on there, and as you'll see in this video, we put the wood glue on there and then we sand over it, and it's mixing the sawdust with the wood glue, and it's going to settle down into that groove. So you may have to, if it's a bigger groove, you may have to do this 2 or 3 times, but more on the minor ones, it really just takes one time usually, but it's a really quick process, easy process. And like I said, what I really like about it is, you know, you're more guaranteed to get something that's stainable. A lot of these fillers say paintable, stainable, and then you get in there and stain it, and it's a completely different tone. So this is a really good and simple way to fill those cracks, and when you go to stain it, you're not going to be disappointed or have to do more touch-up work at the end. So without further ado, let's jump into the video, and if y'all got any questions, let us know. Hey everybody, thank y'all so much for watching our video today. You were watching the 323 vlog, and we were just doing a quick demonstration on how to fill minor gaps and cracks in wood. Like I said, and as you see in this video, this is a far superior way to using wood filler in most circumstances. There might be a couple of circumstances where you can think of it might be better, or this isn't a viable option, but in my opinion, this works out so much better just because the end result, when you get ready to stain it, it's not going to stick out like a sore thumb, and you don't have to go through and touch it up and go through that process. So if you got any questions, let us know below. If you've got any other tips or tricks, we'd love to hear from you. That's what YouTube is all about, is helping each other get better at what we do. So if y'all got any questions, feel free to holler at us. We try to respond to every single one. And thank y'all for bearing with us over the last couple months. We've had an extremely busy season in our life and haven't been posting as frequently as we want, but we are hopefully going to get back at it. I've said in the past, my goal is once a week, and obviously we got away from that the last couple months, but thank y'all for tuning back in and sticking with us, and we hope to see y'all in the future. And if you like the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and you will get future updates to our videos, and we hope to see you there. Later, y'all.